What is up, everybody? Thank you for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how you play Dancing with a Stranger by Sam Smith on the acoustic guitar. Before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up as we go along. If you've got any questions, any comments, please use the comments box below and I'll answer any of the questions that you put on there. Right, let's have a look at this. So, first of all, we have got a capo across the first fret of the neck, and to keep it as beginner friendly as possible, we need to stick a capo on the first fret. It's all in standard tuning, so there's no special tuning, so you don't need to tune your guitar to any sort of fancy pants tuning, so it's all standard tuning. What we're going to do now is zoom into the guitar and see the chords that we need to play, so let's have a look at that now. Okay, so here we are zoomed in. So we've obviously got our capo. What we need to do is look at our chords that we've got. So first of all, we've got this C major shape without our first finger on the C. Now, I'm going to go through these chords in more detail in a second. So we've got our C major with our first finger off, so we're letting that B ring out. We've got a D major, we've got an E minor, and then we've got a G major, but what I'm doing, I'm playing the G major slightly different. I'm sticking an A in, and I'm taking my third and fourth fingers off. We'll talk about that in a second. So let's go back to our C major with a B in it. So we have got second finger on the third fret of the fourth string. We've got third finger on the fourth fret of the fifth string. And we're letting every other string apart from the sixth string ring out. So we're letting that B ring out instead of where the C should be with our first finger. And the strumming for that, I'm going down, up, down. And I'm sticking in an extra downstroke before I go to the next chord. So. And then we move to our D major. Same strumming pattern, but our D major is first finger on the third fret of the third string, second finger on the first string of the third fret, and then third finger on the fourth fret of the second string. I'm going to strum from string number 5 down. So we've got down, up, down, pause, down. So those two chords together. And then we've got our E minor. E minor is our second finger on string number 5, fret number 3. Third finger on fret number 3, string number 4. And we're going to strum all 6 strings. Same strumming pattern. And then we move from the C to the D to the E minor to this G chord that I'm playing. Now, I'm playing my G with an A rather than the open G. So I've got my first finger on the third fret of the third string. I've got my second finger on the sixth string of the fourth fret, and I'm letting all the other strings ring out. And that is the same strumming pattern. You're probably noticing, because my wrist is fairly loose, I'm controlling a bit of a flick into the chord. And it's just a... Right, let's play those chords together. So we've got... So you're probably noticing I'm adding a few extra notes in there, particularly on the E minor. I'm just using my pinky finger and flicking on the third fret of the third string. And then what I'm doing on the D chord is actually I'm hammering on my second finger. Instead of playing the D straight away, I'm sort of hammering on. It just sort of changes how you play the chord slightly. It's different feel. But you can mix it up how you feel. So we've got... bearing in mind we've got the verse sections, which is going to be more of a sort of an open dramatic chord. And then on the chorus sections you want to lift it up again, so you want to make it a bit more rhythmical. Those are the same 4 chords throughout the whole track. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do a bit of a play along. So just so you can get a feel of the chords and feel of the track and the guitar with the track. So let's have a look at that now.